Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error 0x8096002A, no error description available. To begin, verify the file that has the error. After, go to the link that we leave you in the video description. Click on Download the desired version of system. Now click on the downloaded file. Click on Yes. After this, in the wizard, you can see the path of installation. Click on Install. Wait for ending. When finished, you can right-click on the compressed file and select Show More Options. Here, in 7-zip, click on Extract to and the name of the folder. How you see, the extract it's normally without error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.